All right, what's going on, guys? So we're gonna start tearing apart Justin's motor. My Supra's back on the road again. I just had to send the cluster back out to Stu. Something with the gas gauge and coolant gauge touched and shorted everything out. I actually fried my dimmer switch, so I ordered one of those up of Steve Olami or whatever his name is. So that'll be here soon. But we're gonna get this motor tore apart and figure out why he doesn't have any compression in cylinder 1. So we're gonna get the intake manifold, all the rest of the intake manifold off. Oil filter housing, we'll probably just take that all off in one big chunk. Motor mounts, all this fun stuff. Timing belt, valve covers, cylinder head. Then pull the pistons out. We're not gonna clean anything today, so this video will just be us taking it all apart. And then next video will probably be cleaning everything. The goal today is just figure out why it's losing compression in cylinder number 1. Hopefully it's nothing major, but all right, let's start tearing this thing apart. All right, guys, so we got the harmonic balancer off. Where'd you put it? Is it over here? So what we had to do was take out 3 of these bolts, and then we found bolts to go in there from my puller, as you saw, and then we just drove the thing on the puller and it pulled it off. It actually came off pretty easy once we got it on. So now we're just gonna finish taking off everything on the front so we can get the timing belt off, and then we got to take the cam gears off and the cams out, and then we'll be able to pull the head off. And then once we get the head off, we'll do the oil pan and take the pistons out, and then we'll be done for today. Our main goal is just to get the freaking pistons out so we can see what the damage is. So probably gonna not worry about the motor mounts and stuff like that, because we really just need to get the pistons out. So, all right, we're gonna keep going. I'll film more. Yeah, I'll just let you guys watch while we do this. So I think we found out what was wrong with the first piston. So you can see there the rings broke. You can see there the ringland's cracked. The ringland's cracked right there. The ringland's cracked right here, right there. And that's cylinder number 1. So I think we found our issue with the engine, and we're seeing it in cylinder number 2, and I'm sure we're gonna see it in the rest of the cylinders. So, but we got it all tore down, got stuff all cleaned up. We actually put the head up there for now. But yeah, so we found out why it was low compression, and that's probably gonna be it for this video. It's a short one. The next one will be probably cleaning everything up and then going over the build list. It might not be too crazy. It's mostly just gonna be cleaning all the parts, getting some of the stuff ready for paint, like the block and everything, and then going over. Huh?
There's no scoring, thankfully. Yeah,
there's no scoring in the cylinders, which is good. You can just take that out and then flip it around. I'll show you guys here real quick. Tip it that way. There you go. So as you guys can see, there's no There's no scoring, thankfully. Fuck, I got my hand caught in that thing. The only one that I figured would have scoring would be number 1, because that was the lowest compression one, but it's nice and smooth in there. But yeah, so we have a lot of work to do. We're still probably going to hone these out a little bit, because that's what our tuner recommended. But yeah, that's going to be it. We're going to finish tearing out the pistons. It's kind of, don't necessarily need to show you guys that. I wanted to just show you the number 1 piston. So we're going to finish tearing out these pistons. That's going to be it for this one. The next one will be cleaning everything up, probably painting the block. Probably going to get the cylinder head sent off, make sure it's okay, and have the valve seats checked to make sure they're sealing and everything. But yeah, I think that's it. If we get more updates on the body shop with the Supra, maybe we'll take you to the body shop and show you guys that. We still got to tear apart the transmission too and reseal that. So that's fun. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you in the next one.